Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a shepherdess named Marianne and a chimney sweep named Timothy. Both were young, hardworking, and full of dreams for a better life. Marianne, with her flock of sheep, spent her days tending to their needs, while Timothy, with his broom and soot-covered brush, climbed up and down the chimneys of the village homes. One cold winter day, a heavy snowstorm blanketed the village. Marianne's sheep were trapped in the fields, unable to find their way home. Meanwhile, Timothy was struggling to keep the fires burning in the houses, as the chimneys were blocked by the snow. In their separate struggles, both Marianne and Timothy felt a sense of despair. Marianne, looking at her lost sheep, wished for a way to help them find their way home. Timothy, looking at the cold, unhappy villagers, wished he could do something to bring them warmth. One day, as they crossed paths, they shared their sorrows. Marianne told Timothy about her lost sheep, and Timothy told Marianne about the blocked chimneys. They looked at each other, and an idea sparked in their minds. If only we could work together, Timothy said, perhaps we could help each other. Marianne nodded, and they began to devise a plan. They would use the wool from Marianne's sheep to unblock the chimneys, and in return, Timothy would help guide the sheep home. The next day, they put their plan into action. Timothy climbed up the chimneys, using the soft, warm wool to unblock them. Meanwhile, Marianne and her sheep followed Timothy's trail of wool, finding their way home. By the end of the day, the villagers were warm and happy, and Marianne's sheep were safe and sound. They celebrated their success, and the villagers thanked the two for their cooperation. From that day forward, Marianne and Timothy became the best of friends. They taught the villagers a valuable lesson, that cooperation can turn obstacles into opportunities, and that when we work together, we can achieve great things. So, remember, my dear friends, always be open to cooperation, for it is the key to overcoming challenges and creating a brighter future.